The student observed for the functional behavior assessment is a seventh grader who was diagnosed with moderate autism. He is able to work at first, second grade level. His behaviors in class cause disruption for his peers during group activities or stations. The student is in a class with a special education teacher and two one-on-one paraprofessionals and a class paraprofessional. In the classroom setting, the student parents presents work refusal. Work refusal means the student declines to participate by either pushing items away, crying, getting a preferred item out of their backpack, or taking it out of their turn, or whining. The person interviewed was the classroom paraprofessional. She feels the student presents a lot of behaviors due to lack of reinforcement and lack of structure or routine. When speaking to the parent, I learned that there was a lack of routine at home. The student was not inclined in participating. The student gives the parent gives the student devices to avoid tantrums or whining, and at school the teacher is new and is formulating visual schedules and attempting to provide structure. A great way to help set up is by setting up routines, setting up visuals for the student, and providing task cards. This way the student can begin to show what they know without the behavior impeding their learning. Um, this is something that the classroom really lacks is visuals. Um, Schedules are not available for the students to see or have visual cues for next items. They do, however, have a written schedule on the wall that has each student's class period or subtitle of what the class is going to be taught that day. However, the students are not given very much transition support when it comes to transitioning from activity to activity within the classroom. This can be changed by setting timers and having visual task cards for the students. For this specific student, I think first and then cards are very much needed and would help support reduction of undesired behaviors.